Hello folk, welcome to Street Jam. This is the third lens review of the original Leicas that I use on my Leica M10. Today I will tell and show about the 40mm. But first, I will compare it to the 28mm Elmarit in the sharpness area. 28mm at 2.8 is not really soft, but I wouldn't call it sharp, especially on the corners. At 3.5, leaves the very edges soft only. Rest is very salvageable. At 4.8, it gets very sharp corner to corner, and it remains like that until f16. Now, this was for reference to what a modern days Leica lens can do. And now we're up to the main hero of this video, 40mm Summicron-C. At f2, we get great sharpness in the middle of the image, but the corners are kinda soft. But at 2.8, we get great sharpness from corner to corner, and gets a tiny bit softer at f16. So I think this makes this lens a legend. Well, with one downside, of course. It is very prone to this beam-like flaring that you never get in newer Leica lenses. But other than that, it works flawlessly. Alright, let's take it for a spin now. I personally love the 40mm for street photography. 40 is my point of view kind of lens. I mean, whatever I focus with my eyes on is what I get with this lens.
Gençlerimiz için, geleceğimiz için yeniden yollara düşmek.
And apart from that, 40mm lenses are the tightest angle for me to zone focus with. I can never or could never zone focus with a 50mm lens. But throughout this video, you will see I don't really have a problem zone focusing for most of the shots unless I am shooting a portrait. I zone focused almost for everything. I barely raise the camera to my eye throughout the POV. That's how you can kind of see that I zone focus for everything. And this being a 60+ year old lens really doesn't ever stop amazing me.
Thank you.
Alright folk, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and of course turn the bell on so you can see my videos as soon as they pop. Goodbye.